ready?
Yes.
Hi.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, sorry. Okay, what are you doing today?
We open your makeup box.
Oh, let me see what you got. Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell you. It's a Ipsy box. It costs $25.
It's a makeup.
Oh, let me tell the people what it is. If you can see, it's a Ipsy box. It costs $25. It has 5 full-size products, which breaks down to $5 each. I love makeup stuff. If I buy the makeup on my own, I can easily spend $30 in the drugstore I'm talking about. But they send you high-end products, and Minal is gonna open it up for us. We will see what I got. It's actually August box. Little late, filming it in September, and so let's go to Minal and see what she has. Let's see, Minal, what do you have?
I have makeup box for your cheek.
Okay, let me see.
We can open the side.
You wanna open it?
Let me see if you want to.
This is the Balm palette.
Oh, there's makeup.
Look at it. How pretty.
They have a mirror.
Okay.
This is brown and black and brown. Dark brown. It's properly brown.
So you like it?
And
This palette costs about.
This glitter is for your eyes.
Okay.
And this one for your eyes. Well, you can paint it in the morning because we cannot paint it at night.
Okay. All right.
And then we can paint it in the morning. And then when we go to this, and then when we put it.
Okay, you can leave it. I will put it inside.
No,
Check out the other makeup. What I have.
I'm gonna put it back.
You're gonna put it back? Oh, you did it. Yay.
Now we can't open tomorrow.
Okay, leave it outside. See what else we have.
Okay.
Leave the palette outside.
We have a book
Oh, we have a book?
for to read it.
Oh.
Where we have a makeup.
Oh, can you show me what makeup they have?
We have Kirsch makeup.
Let me see. Okay.
This one's a soap makeup.
Uh-huh.
And this one's a soap for your cheek.
Okay, what else?
And this is a lotion for your face.
Okay.
And this is a lipstick.
It's lipstick?
For your mouth.
Okay.
Where you play beautiful.
Oh, okay. And what else?
And summer. Oh, and for you put your orange where you clean it.
Oh, okay. Can you show me the card?
Okay, here's the card.
Let me see. The Balm Cosmetics, $32. I have a nail lacquer, which is a nail polish, $18. I have a cream mask. This is a Good Line Eheva, $33. 8 Cosmetic Foundation. It's a full coverage foundation, $40. And the illuminating drops is $26. So I think it's a good price from the price point. 33 and then 18, 33, about like $100 over. So we are over to Minal. She's gonna show more stuff. What else we have, Minal?
We have some for your
I think that's a nail polish. You wanna open it?
We can open it, we can melt it. Okay, we can open the mouth.
Guys, look how they shaped it so it can't be broken or anything. Looks like nail polish, but it is nail polish.
I can melt it myself.
Okay, take it out from there, please. Be careful, don't drop it. No, no, not the mouth. Let me do it. Oh, you did it? Oh, it's a pretty color. What is it?
It's a silver.
Oh, no, it's a nail polish.
It's a nail polish.
Oh, it's a summer color.
Summer color pink.
You
Nail
like
polish.
it? Okay, what else did we have? What else we have?
We have
Be careful with the nail polish, please.
lotion for you for day.
Oh, wow. You're going to use it with mommy?
We can share it.
You want to share it?
Let me melt it. First, I have to melt it.
She wants to smell it, guys. No, it's closed, mama. Don't put your mouth, please. No, it smells good? Okay.
You can melt it.
Oh, let me see. It smells so good. It's
It
closed
smells
and
like
she can smell it.
strawberry.
So this is what a child baby is called. Okay, show me more things. What do we have?
We have garlic.
Okay, but leave it there. First, we have to finish showing what we have. Let me see.
That's medicine.
It's medicine?
Yeah.
What kind of medicine?
Kind of so makeup.
It's makeup?
No medicine. That's what's it?
What is it?
I don't know.
I think it's the illuminating drops. Let me see. I show you.
It's a-
Okay, guys, this is liquid highlighter or illuminating drops. Fancy way to say. I'm gonna open it up for you. See what you have. Be careful, don't drop it.
It's so sparkly.
Yes, it's sparkly. For the Halloween, I'm gonna dress you up, okay? We go trick or treat.
Last night we trick or treat in class.
Okay. Okay, close it down. So what
Can
we
we
got
go-
4 things. We have one more thing. What is it?
The last one, okay?
The-
The last one, okay?
Okay.
Because that one is down, okay?
Okay.
This one,
What it looks like.
let me open it.
You want me to do it for you?
I got it myself.
Okay, thank you.
That's not a lotion.
Oh no, don't open it. You want to smell it? Okay, smell it.
So fluffy.
It's lovely. Okay, let me see. Oh, guys, this is let me show them. This is It Cosmetic foundation. It is color. What color is that? Medium. It will work for me.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Okay, she needs to go to the bathroom, so we will finish up. Okay.
I'm coming, everybody, okay?
You coming? Okay, I'm gonna finish up for you. Okay. Okay, so. Okay, in a nutshell, 5 products. Yes, it's a little mess. 5 products. I'm gonna line it up for you. So, you're back. So you
I
have to.
didn't wash my hands.
Oh, but you have to say bye now. We're leaving. Just come on back. Come on back, say bye so I can close it down.
No, we can say hi again.
Okay, no, we don't say hi again. We have to say bye.
We can say bye, each other can say hi again.
Okay.
First we have to say bye, each other we say hi again.
But now we finish, Minal. They see everything.
I think I'm putting the ball.
Okay, but now say bye. We see you later.
Bye, we see you later, okay?
Okay.
We can say hi.
Okay.
Don't come here.
Okay, all right.
Hey, guys! No! You can't come here.
But I'm saying bye, okay? Bye.
We can say
We will do another video for them, okay? Bye, guys. See you later.
see you later.
Okay, subscribe and like.
Subscribe and like.
All right, bye. See you
Bye.
guys later for sure.